El libro perdido in Spanish and English. El libro perdido. The lost book. Hay una muchacha. There is a girl. Se llama Susana. Her name is Susana. Ella se levanta y le dice, ¿Dónde está mi libro? She gets up and says, Where is my book? Ella va al rincón y busca el libro, pero no lo encuentra. She goes to the corner and looks for the book, but she doesn't find it. Ella va corriendo hacia la silla y se sienta. She goes running towards the chair and sits down. Busca el libro, pero no lo encuentra. She looks for the book, but she doesn't find it. Ella se sienta en el piso y busca el libro. She sits on the floor and looks for the book. No lo encuentra. She doesn't find it. Ella pregunta, ¿Dónde está mi libro? She asks, Where is my book? Su mamá le responde, Búscalo enfrente de la ventana. Her mom responds, Look for it in front of the window. Ella camina hacia la ventana y lo busca enfrente de la ventana. She walks towards the window and looks for it in front of the window. No lo encuentra. She doesn't find it. Ella le dice, Mamá, no está aquí. She says, Mom, it's not here. Su mamá le dice, Búscalo en la mesa, entre la revista y el lápiz. Her mom says, Look for it on the table, between the magazine and the pencil. Ella va a la mesa y lo encuentra entre la revista y el lápiz. She goes to the table and finds it between the magazine and the pencil. Ella va hacia la puerta y grita, Adiós, mamá. She goes towards the door and yells, Goodbye, Mom. Ella va a la puerta y la abre. She goes to the door and opens it. Ella sale, pero no cierra la puerta. She leaves, but she doesn't shut the door. Ella va a la escuela. She goes to school.